Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Manjaro 22.1.3 Sikaris release Mate desktop. So we have installed the Mate desktop with MS-DOS partitions, XFS file system, swap with no Hibernate option and the LibreOffice. So in the last video, we had checked out the GNOME desktop. So at that time, we had gone for the free office suite option, and in this video, with the Mate desktop, we have gone for the LibreOffice. So two office suite options are there. So you can choose between the two. So we thought we should check out both the suites in different desktops. So this is the greeter screen or the login screen of the Mate desktop. You got the accessibility features. This is the keyboard layout. The time is there and the power menu is there. So let us log in to the Mate desktop. Okay, so first thing I think we should change the display resolution. Okay, so this is the Mate desktop of Manjaro, and you have got a single panel at the bottom. So in many of the Mate implementations, there are two panels. For example, in Debian, there are two panels. In Ubuntu also, you can have either one single panel or a two panel Mate desktop. On the desktop itself, there is link to the computer, the user's home folder, and the trash can. And in the panel at the left, you have got the Mate application menu. On the right side, you have got the simple volume control. The package manager is there. So that is PAMAC, which is available. Then there is this network manager. The calendar is there, Mate calendar, and the uh, click to hide all the windows and show the desktop option is there. So now let us check out the updates. I think there are 551 updates. Total size is around 1.9 GB. We're not going to install these updates right now. There are also some kernel updates are also available. So now let us start with the application menu. In favorites, you got the Firefox web browser. The Mate terminal is there. Kaja is the file manager. In accessories section, you got character map. The GNOME disk is there. Let us check out the GNOME disk. So here you can see the XFS file system is installed in the root drive or the root partition. There is a swap with no Hibernate. So the size of swap with no Hibernate is just 3 GB. And if you go with swap with Hibernate, then the swap size will be around 6 to 8 GB. And the free space is around 1.4 GB. It is MS-DOS style partitioning. Then you got the Mate calculator, the Mate font viewer, Mate search tool. So there is only one option of having a plank. So you can configure the plank. So here you can see the plank is there. So do you want to keep in dock? We will just remove. We'll have to maybe do the configuration and then remove this. Otherwise, it won't go. Okay. So clicking on this plank, it will again start the plank. Yes. So we will close the plank. Close it. Just a moment. Some place it will. It was not required, but it has come up. There is a way to do Okay, anyway, what we will do is we'll go through the applications. Pluma is there. Pluma is a simple text editor. Software tokens are there. You can take a screenshot with the screenshot tool. In admin section, you got add remove software. The login window is there. In education section, there is no application. In graphics, you got the eye of Mate and the Mate color selection. In internet section, the SSH server browsers and the VNC server browsers are there. Firefox is there. Hex chat is there for the chat client. Pidgin is also another chat client. Here, Thunderbird is given. And if you remember in Gnome, the Geary email client was there. Here, transmission is there. In Gnome, it was fragments. And UGET is there. I think it is. Let us open the UGET. So it is also a download manager to download the magnet links, I think. Then in Office section, you can see the complete LibreOffice is there. The Mate dictionary is there. Only Office is there. So there are two Office suites, Only Office desktop editors along with the LibreOffice. So I think if you don't want two Office suites during the installation, you should not tick any of the two Office suite choice, that is the LibreOffice and the free Office. So both you should not tick. Then what will happen is LibreOffice also and the free Office also will not get installed, and by default only Office will get installed. So only Office is there, but this was not shown during the installation. In preferences, you can see here about me is there, so you can set your personal information. Advanced network configuration, appearance is there, assistive technologies, Bluetooth adapters, Bluetooth manager, displays we have seen how to change the resolution. File management is there using Kaja file manager. Firewall configuration, so that is same. GUFW firewall is there. You will open up and just start the firewall. So firewall is now started, and you can change the domain of the firewall. So whether it is working in public internet or in office surroundings or in the home surroundings. Keyboards shortcuts and the keyboard is there. Layout, Manjaro notifier settings, Manjaro settings manager, main menu is there, Mate tweak is there. So Mate tweak is nothing but the Gnome tweak. So they are tweaked the tweak tool to make it the Mate tweak. So there are Mate specific tweaks available. You can see here. The Mate panel tweaks are there, Mate window tweaks. So this is the window decoration tweaks. Performance, window behavior, appearance, high DPI settings, fonts, and the window manager. So there are two ways to use the window manager. Marco is the default window manager for this Mate desktop. So you can use Marco without compositor and Marco with the X present compositor. And these are some desktop tweaks, desktop icon tweaks. The panel tweaks are also there. So you can say use the Gnome 2 panel. You can use the Manjaro, OpenSUSE. I told you OpenSUSE also has a good Manjaro panel. So, but not OpenSUSE is a good Mate panel. Sorry, the Redmond is also there, and you can change between them. So this same is available. All these same panel tweaks are available in the OpenSUSE Mate desktop also. I think I have done a video on OpenSUSE Mate desktop. You can check it out. So these are all available. If you want, I will just show you. It will change the panel. So this now panel is as per the Fedora configuration. Then you can have the Gnome 2 configuration. You can also change to OpenSUSE. So this is the OpenSUSE. There are some very small tweaks are there, but they are distinguishable. You can see here how it looks. So it is now totally different. This is the Redmond style or the Windows style. Now OpenSUSE is there. Here it changes. And if you do a restart, then all the changes will get properly applied. You can also enable the dock. So if you want the dock, what you can do is you can pull the panel to the top and have the dock at the bottom. And also you can enable the keyboard LEDs from here. You can select the icon size for the panel icons. So a lot of configuration is available. Next, now let us try out the Manjaro settings. What are the Manjaro settings? So Manjaro settings are given to tweak your system. So you can tweak the local settings, you can tweak the language packages, you can also do the installation or uninstallation of the different kernels. So these are all the kernels that are available in the Manjaro repo. So you can install any of them. So the RT kernel is available, the standard Linux kernels are available, some old we can say LTS kernels are also available. So you can just do a simple click, install or uninstall using a simple click, and you can have the kernel that best suits your use case. Then you can also do the network proxy settings, power management setting, preferred applications, screensaver is there, startup applications is also there. So here you can see the startup applications that are there by default. So the graphical firewall is not there, but it will be added, or you can manually add the firewall. Or we can just type the firewall to come up. Okay, so it is not coming up, but you can do it. It's not that hard. You have to just search for the program, and then you have to select the program and install it. So I'm in a hurry. So what happens is, if I do everything, then the video becomes very long, and people don't have maybe the time also, and the attention span also. So attention span of people is getting less and less. So if I do a 40-second short, people only watch 15 or 20 seconds, half they are watching. And if I do a 1 hour video also, they will only watch it for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So nobody has the time, or nobody has that attention span to watch the complete video. Only 15 to 20% of the audience watches the complete video. Rest all watch the video or the short intermittently. 50%, some will watch it for 30%, some others will do it for 20%, like that. Now the control center. So this is the control center, Mate control center. Here you can do the administration settings, hardware settings, internet and network, look and feel settings. You can do the appearance settings. I will just open the appearance app. So you can see here the custom, this is the Manjaro custom theme. So the Manjaro developers have done this thing. Now you can change over to the black matte. This is how it will look. We'll just open the application menu, so we'll get idea. Blue Menta is there. So this all applications, some of these themes are from the mate.org. So Mate organization done that. You can have the green submarine. So this is how it will look. Maybe I will keep this on, so you will get better idea. So here you can see, so this is Mate. Then you can go with the blue submarine. This is how it will look. Matcha glaze. And what was that? Matcha azul. Just matcha azul. This is how it looks. Matcha dark alice. Okay, so the required icon theme is not installed. So some of the themes work in conjunction with the icon themes. So if the icon themes is not there, then the theme will not look good, or it will not perform, and sometimes it will not also apply. Okay, so what we're doing is, let us apply the, so same matcha dark also is not getting applied. So this is also not looking as intended, but still some parts are working. Traditional, okay, yes, this theme is completely working. Yaru green is also working. You can see it here, looks good. Menta is also working. And the traditional green, so this should also work. Yes, it is working. So this is how the different themes are there. Now let us check out the backgrounds. If any background apps are background wallpapers are given, no. Maybe it will take some time to populate. Yes, now it has come up. So let us check out the different Manjaro wallpapers. Looks nice. So it is combination of Manjaro wallpapers as well as some Mate wallpapers, some third party wallpapers. This is also Manjaro wallpaper. This one maybe is a third party wallpaper. This looks very nice. What about this? It's okay, not that great. This one is Mate wallpaper. Try this one. This one is also okay. So we will stick with this. This is the original wallpaper. Looks far better than the other wallpapers. Now let us check out the font. So the Sans family and the monospace regular are used as default. The interface settings. Anything else? Okay, so we will open the Mate terminal and we will check out the kernel that was installed. So the kernel is 6.1.1. So it is a standard kernel, preempt dynamic, WD. Where is the hardware? Okay. Displays at Bluetooth settings. Okay. I think pending is there. Yes. And the media player is Lollipop. These are two media, this video test utilities. Sound is there, sound manager, and the VLC media player is there. So there are two media players. This is the for audio files, and this is for the video files. So that's it. We will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out some other desktops of Manjaro. See you in the next video. Bye bye.